What if the AI agent on your computer could actually show you everything it's thinking? What if you could watch it learn in real time? There's a free open source tool that does exactly that. Most people running Hermes are stuck in the terminal. They have no clue what's really happening under the hood. And what I'm about to show you changes the whole game. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. Help people learn AI tools and actually use them in their work. In this video, I'm walking you through Hermes HUD, the free web dashboard that turns Hermes into something you can finally see and control from your browser. I'll cover what Hermes is, why HUD matters, how to install it, what every section does, and how it compares to Hermes Workspace. Stick around because the last part is where I share my honest opinion on which one you should pick. Let's get into it. So first, what is Hermes? Hermes is an AI agent built by Noose Research. It's open source and lives on your computer or a server. The big idea is that it grows with you, builds memory across sessions, learns new skills from what you ask it to do, and remembers who you are. It runs on basically any model you want. Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Kimi, GLM, open source models. Name it, you can plug it in. It can also live on Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, and Signal, so you can text your agent like you text a friend. The catch is, by default, you mostly run it through the terminal. That's where Hermes HUD comes in. Hermes HUD is a web-based dashboard for your Hermes agent. The name HUD stands for Heads-Up Display. Think of it like the cockpit view of your agent. It opens in your browser, reads directly from the same data folder your agent already uses, and shows you everything in clean panels. The creator calls it a consciousness monitor, literally watching the agent's mind work. And it's completely free under the MIT license. Now let's talk about install. You've got two paths. Path 1. Open your terminal. You clone the repo from GitHub, create a Python virtual environment, run the install script, and then start it. About 2 to 3 minutes start to finish. You'll need Python 3.11 or higher and Node version 18 or higher. Mac and Linux work natively. If you're on Windows, you'll use WSL, which is the Windows subsystem for Linux. Path 2. You can ask Hermes itself to do it for you. Because Hermes has a plugin and skills system, you can literally tell your agent to go install and sync Hermes HUD. The agent improves its own tools. Once it's installed, you type Hermes HUD UI in the terminal, hit enter, open your browser, and go to localhost on port 3001. You're in. When the HUD first loads, here's what hits you. It looks like the dashboard from a sci-fi movie. Clean, dark theme. Glowing text. Real data flying in everywhere. You'll see your agent's identity at the top. Its name, its runtime, how many days it's been conscious, and the size of its brain. Yes, days conscious is a real stat. Until you see the part where it shows what your agent is learning right now. We'll get there in a minute. Let's go through the main sections one by one. First, this shows how many conversations your agent has had, how many messages have gone back and forth, how many actions it's taken, and how many skills it's picked up. So instead of guessing whether the agent is actually working, you see real numbers. Next, what I remember, memory capacity bars. Your user profile state, corrections the agent has absorbed. So if you've told the agent things like, hey, my name's spelled this way, or I prefer concise replies, you can see if it actually stored that. Memory is the whole point of Hermes. If the memory isn't building, the agent isn't growing. When I first started exploring Hermes, I'll be honest, it was overwhelming. Loads of options. Pieces. That's when I created this community called AI Profit Boardroom. For 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and your skills, check it out. Link in description. Then there's what I see. This lists your API keys. It tells you which ones are present and which ones are missing. It also shows service health, like which providers are responding and which are silent. If your OpenAI key is broken, you'll see it right here. Next up, I'm learning. Recently modified skills with categories.